New this morning, here's a traffic alert for those in Wyoming. The Wyoming Department of Transportation, along with contract crews, will be paving sections of Wyoming State Highway 22 at the intersection of Wyoming State Highway 390. The work will take place tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Crews will also be paving potholes on the Snake River Bridge and other various areas throughout the project in preparation for winter traffic. Traffic will be down to a single lane and at reduced speeds. Crews hope to finish the work in one day, weather permitting. Also new this morning, starting today, you will no longer be able to park your car overnight on several streets in Jackson. This is to help keep streets clear of snow and ice. The restrictions are put in place from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. through April 15th, depending on the weather. Now to the latest in the Middle East. In an update overnight, for the first time in over 3 weeks, a limited number of civilians were able to leave Gaza. Meanwhile, the Israeli military has confirmed that it was behind an airstrike on Gaza's largest refugee camp. The Israel Defense Forces says the airstrike targeted and killed a Hamas commander who they say was, quote, hiding behind civilians. However, Hamas has denied the claims that one of its leaders was in the camp. According to the Hamas-controlled Ministry of Interior, in Gaza, 20 homes were completely destroyed in the bombing. The head of the nearest hospital estimates that scores of people had been killed in the explosion. On Capitol Hill, a political fight is brewing. Biden administration officials are pushing Congress to pass a multi-billion-dollar funding bill that includes aid for both Israel and Ukraine, despite calls from House Republicans to prioritize Israel. Secretary of State Antony Blinken and Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin spoke at the Senate Appropriations Committee as to why the funding should not be separated.
Putin is very much trying to take advantage of the Hamas attack on Israel in the hopes that it will distract us and that it will result in the United States pulling back. So we see these things as being very much joined, which is one of the reasons our request is a joint request.
The White House says President Biden would veto a bill being proposed in the House that would provide assistance only to Israel. Meanwhile, the Senate confirmed former Treasury Secretary Jacob Lew to be the new U.S. ambassador to Israel. New this morning, teachers in Portland, Oregon's public school system are now on strike and schools will be closed today. It comes after the Portland Association of Teachers Union and the Portland School District failed to reach an agreement on Tuesday for a new 3-year contract. In a Facebook post, the teachers union said they are on strike to ensure the district meet their demands so that, quote, every Portland student can attend a great public school, end quote.